video with your friends and subscribe our Creative Ideas YouTube channel. Thank you friends. See you in next video.